Hey guys, I know it's been a couple of weeks, but I've been on my little routine. I've been doing the challenge. I've been doing 30 minutes of cardio. I was doing the Taibo for about 25, 30 minutes, and that was working, you guys. I'm telling you, like, it was cutting me up, everything. I saw a piece of ab and everything again, but my son stopped cooperating with that, so I got to get back to that this week. But I've been still doing my 30 minutes of cardio. I've been doing my lunges, and I've been doing crunches. Ooh, air blowing my hair a little bit. So I just wanted to check in. I know it's not that many people that have watched the video, so I'm sure there's not a lot of people doing it. But if you are, I just want to check in and see how everybody else is doing, how things are coming along. I am seeing results. I just had one little major setback in the last 2 or 3 days. My ankle been acting up, so yesterday what I did, I threw a brace on it and I got on the bike at the gym and I just did intervals on the bike. And believe it or not, like, that thing really worked up a sweat. I feel like that did more than the running. And I was just doing like 1 minute intervals where I would go really fast on the bike with no resistance, sitting down, and then 1 minute where I was going slow. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I think that worked up a serious sweat. I think I burned some calories on that one, so I might have to add that as one of my things to do at least two times out the week. I'm not sure yet, because the gym I go to on the weekend doesn't have that bike. Only the gym I go to during the week. So I gotta check that. Furthermore, though, I just wanted to let you guys know that they have this new cauliflower rice in Food Lion. I don't know if y'all have a Food Lion near you, but it's in the frozen section. It's in like a little box. I'm gonna have to make a video and post it. And it has string beans, mushroom sauce, and I think it's cooked onions in it. And it's so good. It make you think you eating some rice for real. So I've been eating that one of the times where I can't get to my salad for my low carb meals, and it is so good. It really is. Like, I'm going to go in the store right now and get some more. And hopefully nobody has found out about it and bought all of them up. But I just wanted to do a post because I hadn't done one in a little bit. Don't mind my hair. I just came from the gym, so it's a mess. But that's the real life. What can I say? And I need to get in the store while my son is sleeping. And try not to wake him up. But anyway, we all have situations that happen in life, so you just got to stay focused. And the main thing I wanted to tell you guys in this video, if you fall off, no matter whether it's fitness or school or work or something like that, each week you need to make your goals for the week, and that will help you. So if you fell off Thursday or Friday, it doesn't matter, because on Monday is a whole new week. And if you look at it that way, you make your weekly goals. For some reason, it just seemed to be easier. Like when I was doing this transformation with a trainer, on Sundays, she would have us take a picture and weigh ourselves and send that to her. And believe it or not, just looking at the difference in the weeks, that kind of like will keep you motivated. And even if you didn't do that good on that week, it'll get you back on track. So just use that weekly goals, to really hold yourself accountable. And I mean, this is with everything. I don't care if you make a to-do list. I don't care if you talking about cleaning the house. Whatever you doing, if you make that weekly list and actually pay attention to it, you will see improvements. So, on that note, I'm going to leave. I'm going to Food Lion and get my cauliflower rice. And yes, I'm limping, but that's okay. That's okay. I mean, that's the price you gotta pay for all this exercise. It's my fault because I probably didn't take the rest time that I needed, but I was just so excited on getting back on track and staying on track. So I'm still not going to take a break. I'm just not going to be on my foot because you have to listen to your body, you know. So if I got to ride the bike, I'll ride the bike. If I got to do chair Taibo, I'll do chair Taibo. But either way, I'm not going to stop because once you stop, you got to go through the process of starting all over again. We're not doing that. So, okay, guys, so I'm back. My camera died, unfortunately, but at least I got to go in the grocery store and get the stuff I was telling you guys about. So here it is. You see it? Rice cauliflower casserole with green beans, fried onions, and mushroom sauce. And look, it's only 110 calories. And I love this stuff. It takes like 5 minutes. You put it in the microwave, you cook it for 5 minutes, and you're all set. And you put that with your meat, air fried, whatever, as long as I guess it's not really fried, deep fried, then it's still healthy. So I put my chicken in the air fryer with no skin. So drum legs, wings, whatever, put olive oil on it, and it is so good. And then you put this in the microwave for 5 minutes, and there you go. You have a meal. So keep in mind everything I said today, guys. All right, until next time. Bye.